You alright, bud? Feels good in here. You got the air conditioning running. Alright, I'm waiting for a phone call from Kat. Yes, sir. Dave, so glad to hear your voice. How you making out? I need 2 belts for Cat 312. We'll give you a belt number here. We just had the AC pump burn out yesterday. Compressor, I didn't realize it wiped out some belts on the radiator side. I should have listened to you a year ago. I went with the Reman AC compressor. It probably got 60 hours on it. No joking aside. Salem has them. I know it's hey, it's MJ. That you know, that's why. So I'll tell them to put them on the counter in Ben Salem. Hey, might as well stop at Cracker Barrel or something. Get yourself some lunch. How's your day going? Mine's good since you're here with me. What's the matter? Where are you going? It feels good in here. You got the air on, dude? Look at me, I'm sweating out here. Well, a year ago we put a Reman AC compressor pump in that machine on a job, and I made a video of it. Tommy D's house. Approximately right about a year later, I'm doing it again, but I'm doing it my way this time. Although I did it my way last time and it didn't pay. I could have bought the expensive pump from the Cat dealer or buy the Reman for half the cost, and you know, I took the shortcut. I went with the cheaper pump. It lasted me a year, but I really think there's no more than 60 hours on that pump. We don't run these pumps in the wintertime. Nobody does. It's cold out. So there's only a small window here in the summer where you're running the AC pump. And that thing didn't hold up. We're out here this morning doing it again. But that's okay. It's what it is. We smoked one of the belts on the alternator side, so I'm short on that, but it is what it is. That's all that matters on that end. Gotta knock this back corner out yet towards the Takahauchi and then start the slope. We got some materials yet, gotta go. All this gotta come across. So I'm waiting for my belt to get here. They're en route. And instead of sitting idle, gotta get something done. I'm not sure which he told me one of these vents was plugged. I don't know. Had a mouse in here over the winter. Wreaks havoc, builds a home anywhere it can. Fish number 1 in there, we're fishing number 2. One blade at a time. Could have pulled the shroud off, I know. It's just too easy, you know? Okay, we're getting somewhere. All right, I think I'm ready here. Double, triple check. Leave that open. You're gonna need that open.
With it open? With
Yeah,
the counter?
I want it open.
All right, you want to dent it.
Oh, what else to do? I'm all tight. And let's set the counterweight.
Sure you want it open?
Yes, I want it open. Okay. He's up and off. A few hours behind, but he's going to the race. All right, I'm moving on to problem number 2. Going to the shop. I'm going to put the AC compressor in the triaxle. It's going to be called one of them days. That's okay. Hey boy, I'll see you in a few hours. You want to work late tonight? I'll set the light tower up. We'll run till midnight. I don't blame you. MJ, how you doing, sir?
Hello.
What's the matter? Somebody call?
No.
Oh, no? Message?
I think it's that.
Okay. Look what John's doing here. I think he's getting your attention.
What? Thank you. Thank you.
Hold on, buddy. Let me get out of here.
Come on.
Well, we're gonna go work in the shop here a little bit. You all right? I put water in your Sprite bottle too. Oh, you got 100%. All right, I got you. Now I got you. Good, then you're good all day long.
Yeah.
Mine's 100% too? Perfect. You need the charger?
Yes, I get it.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. What are you doing out here? Huh? You staying cool today? Yeah? How you making out? Look at that, huh? Isn't that neat? You want to take one home? No? All right, I thought you would like to see that, so. Look at that. They're little babies, huh? What are you guys doing? They're very content. Got a lot of slop to waddle in here. Stay cool. With some happy piggers. Happy piggers. One of these guys is gonna end up in my freezer. Shouldn't have said that, but it's called life.
Go.
Yep, he's waddling. He wants to stay cool. He rolls around the mud. He's hot, yeah. You like that? How many are there? Count them. One? No, more than that. Isn't that cool? You need to tell Mom you saw pigs today.
Hi.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, we'll take you back. Well, I'll help you out. We'll go. We're good. I got you. You're good. You're good. I'm gonna close this barn door, right? And Dad's gonna rip this AC pump off. Did you see the cows? Yeah, it's raining again. Want to go back into the shop? All right, I'm gonna shut the barn door and we'll go back in the shop. Hey, puppies. All right, bud, we're gonna get after it, all right? Feels like that bearing is a little loose in there. Well, we're charging up here. The belt. Throw a new accumulator on. Get some pressure in this thing and fire her up, see what we got. .27. I don't know where the day went, but here we are. We're running. It's cold. How about it? You like it? Is it cold enough for you? Thumbs up. We always have another day to get something done. Lord willing. Cat's back up and running. AC's cranking.
Fine.
Got the AC running in here.
Fine.
It's just we ran out of daylight. There's not enough hours. Guess we'll regroup tomorrow.
Good fine.
A prank? Blow the horn? Oh, I don't know, bud. Oh. That's a prank, huh? Put your wind up. Right there. Till next time, see y'all later.